Hello everyone, this is Shan Heather, and in this video we are going to do a benchmarking test comparison between the 4G and 5G version of Tecno Spark 20 Pro. So here we got the Tecno Spark 20 Pro 5G and here is the 4G version of Spark 20 Pro. So we will see which device is going to be better in terms of hardware specs, benchmarking test score result, and in daily usage as well as gaming. So here we go. So these are the benchmarking applications we got today here on our devices. So first of all, let's start with, and to do benchmark, we have already performed all of these tests and we will just have a quick look on the test score results. So Spark 20 Pro 5G scored 421,031 and Spark 20 Pro 4G scored 431,592. So the winner is the 4G version here. If we go to the individual test score result, here you can compare the result of CPU, GPU, memory and UX, and as you can see, in CPU and memory, performance of Spark 20 Pro 4G is better, and in GPU and UX, performance of Spark 20 Pro 5G is better, as it comes with the latest Android 14, while Spark 20 Pro 4G is still running on Android 13, and the GPU is a bit better in Spark 20 Pro 5G as well. But our concern is the overall score, and in that, performance of Tecno Spark 20 Pro 4G is better in Antutu benchmark. So let's go back from here and now let's have a look on the next test today, and that's going to be the 3D Mark. This is a gaming benchmarking test, so it gives the idea about the gaming capability of the device. So this test is divided in multiple parts. If we go to Slingshot, and this Spark 20 Pro 5G scored 3,651 and Spark 20 Pro 4G scored 3,502. So the winner is the 5G version of Spark 20 Pro. You can have a look on the FPS generated by both of these devices as well. As you can see, the difference is not too much in both the overall score as well as in the FPS, but the winner is Spark 20 Pro 5G. If we go to Slingshot Extreme, and this, once again, the winner is Spark 20 Pro 5G because it scored 2,769 compared to 2,637 we got on Spark 20 Pro 4G. Now, if we go to the wildlife, in this, Spark 20 Pro 5G scored 1,327 and the Spark 20 Pro 4G scored 1,249. Once again, you can compare the FPS generated by both of these smartphones. The difference is only 0.5 FPS. So it's not too much, but still in terms of numbers, performance of Spark 20 Pro 5G is better. Now if we go to the wildlife extreme, in this Spark 20 Pro 5G scored 370 and Tecno Spark 20 Pro 4G scored 348. So once again, the winner is Spark 20 Pro 5G. So in all of these four tests of 3D Mark, performance of Tecno Spark 20 Pro 5G is better compared to Tecno Spark 20 Pro 4G because it comes with better GPU and that's why it is scoring more points in it. Now let's have a look on the last test for today, and that's Geekbench 6. This test is divided in CPU and GPU, and the CPU test is divided in single core and multi-core. So as you can see, Tecno Spark 20 Pro 5G scored 772 in single core, 2069 in multi-core, while Tecno Spark 20 Pro 4G scored 740 in single core and 2021 in multi-core. So once again, the winner is Spark 20 Pro 5G. Now if you go to the GPU test, and this Spark 20 Pro 5G scored 1,423 and Spark 20 Pro 4G scored 1,348. So here as well, the winner is Spark 20 Pro 5G. So we can consider that the Spark 20 Pro 5G is a bit better in terms of hardware specs, especially the GPU, compared to the Spark 20 Pro 4G, as in 3D Mark and Geekbench 6, the Spark 20 Pro 5G was a winner, and in Antutu benchmark, in GPU and UX, the winner was Spark 20 Pro 5G, and in CPU and memory, performance of Spark 20 Pro 4G was better. But as you can see, the difference is very minute between these two smartphones, and in daily usage, you won't feel much difference. So that's all for now, friends. Thanks for watching this video. If you found it useful, then give it a thumbs up, share it with your friends, subscribe the channel, and I will see you guys next time in another video. Have a nice day.